Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking catfish steak deep fried. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have catfish steak here, salt, and we have hot chili sauce here. Okay, this is a very simple recipe, and we're gonna have the use of our deep fryer here. So we're gonna put oil there, and we're gonna deep fry the catfish. The beauty of deep fryer is you will avoid the splatter of oil, of hot oil. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put salt around the fish like this. All right. And we're gonna do this for everything like that. All right. Okay. Some people they're gonna dip this into cornstarch, but for me, since this is a deep frying, we don't need cornstarch on this because it will not stick on the pan or anything. So there you go. Now we will put our fish to the deep fryer. Okay. We preheated already our deep fryer, so there you go. There you go. So in 10 minutes this will be done. Cover it. Let's check our catfish. Okay, we need 3 more minutes. Now let's check our fish. Wow, this is good. Okay, we're gonna transfer this into a serving dish. See ya. Here's our finished product. Deep fried catfish. You can eat this also with rice, but this time I prefer to eat this with corn. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see the future cooking videos. Thank you for watching and have a good day.